Yeah, you figured me out. Something gave it away. It would be such a beautiful moment to see the look on your face, to know that I know that you know now. And baby, that's a case of my wishful thinking. You know nothing. Well, you and I, well,
some think that they deserve more. Give a little like it's become a chore. Don't demand things or walk yourself out that door. I fell flat on my face too many times, left with nothing but some cheap perfume. Now you cry, now you need me. Now that perfume's not cheap, but I told you, if you wanted to be my only one, if you wanted to see this happen, maybe you should have tried harder. If you thought I would leave into your arms every time I would see your face, then maybe you should have tried harder. Go on, prove it, I'd love to see you try. Convince me that you gave me the world I tried.